let's finally make Ajvar.
First, we need to clean the paprika. Your brain. Oh, we don't want it to be dirty. Then, when it is clean, možemo da pečemo. We are going to roast on the open fire until they become, mekan, very soft. You push the air out, and when they are black and very soft, you put them in the pot, cover, and you let them sweat for even 1 hour. After 1 hour, the skin is so coming off. It is very easy. Then you take all the skin, you take out all the seeds. Don't wash it in the water because we want to conserve this natural flavor. Then we pack it into an onion bag and leave it to hang overnight so as much water can come out as possible. This helps with the cooking process. Then we are going to grind it. Yes, this is ground roasted red peppers. Then we are going to cook it in the pan with oil. When this nicely combines later, we add a hot oil. We need to mix this for a long time, so get some help. Have some rakia. And in the traditional Ajvar, just red paprika, salt, sugar, vinegar, and of course parsley. Ma kakav parsley, bre? Fuj! This parsley belongs to the rabbits, or today we're gonna give it to the chickens. Mamash! Oh! When it is nice and thick, we're gonna taste it. If it tastes alright, great. It has to pass the line test. You see? The line, you can see it. Turn it off, get the sterilized jars from the oven, fill it up, close it, back in the oven to seal it, and there we enjoy the leftovers.
And that is how you make Ajvar.